Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery cover. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Next, use thin object to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Now disconnect keyboard cable. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Now disconnect palmrest cables. Then unscrew and remove palmrest. Then disconnect display cable. Next, unscrew and remove hinge covers. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use fingers to separate and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Then unscrew and remove hinges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.